Question 11 brings us a cumulative frequency table. We've been given the group boundaries and a frequency, and we've been asked to complete this table. Well, this is not too taxing. We've just got to add the 12 to the 24, put our answer here, and go on down the table. And those should be the results that you get. Okay, in part B, we've been asked to plot the results of the cumulative frequencies on this chart to form a histogram. So the plot points of 12, 36, 64 and so on must be at the end of the group. So it is these numbers that we're going to be plotting against our cumulative frequency. And if you do that, you'll get this. Now we've been asked a supplementary question to say that all those that finished between 42 and 52 minutes were given a silver medal, and we're asked to use the graph to estimate the number of runners who were awarded a silver medal. Okay, the first thing to do is to pop 42 and 52 on our graph as vertical lines. And the equivalent on the vertical axis would be there. So the answer we need is the difference between the two horizontal yellow lines. This looks like it's 58 and this is 30. So the number of silver medals must be equal to 58 minus 30, which is equal to 28. And that's going to be your answer.